Welcome back to Neko Nation Japan. This is Jeremy, looking at the month of January 2021, looking at some dividends, a little bit of dividends this month, not too bad, but it's much better than last year. Let's get right into this, shall we? Here we go. If we're looking at all these dividends, we have a Roth account, 0 dividends, boo. Independent, $5.56, and the custodial account, $5.56. How is that possible? We'll find out. The whole market's upheaval going on. Everything has gone down a little bit. So we're down in our Roth account, $46,257.66. That's okay, not bad. Individual account, $21,184.20. Not too bad either. The custodial account, $7,439.28. Bringing this month, January 2021, up to the grand total of $74,881.14. Not too bad. I can live with that. Let's see what we have next. So far this January, we're starting out. We're gonna blanket every year, see what happens over the year. Last year we had that meteoric rise because of the whole pandemic, putting it down in the beginning, and then shot up from all that stimulus. So we have this $74,881.14 starting off first month in 2021. Can't wait to see what's happening next month. All kinds of fun action happens next month too. I can't wait to show everybody. All right. So starting off, really tiny, itty bitty small dividends this month, but much better than last year where we had 0 dividends. From 0 to $11.12. It's not bad. I want to grow that every month, every year. Just see that compounding, keep on going. What do we have? 2017, $319. Not too bad. 2018, $407. 2019, $652. Much better increase. Then look at this. 2020, $1,408.77. Dramatic increase. Now we have $11.12. Wah, wah, wah. But that's just our first month of the year. And last year we had none for the first month. So let's see what's going to happen, shall we? So looking at our Roth account, we didn't get paid anything in here. So everything's pretty much exactly the same. AT&T, Apple, Coca-Cola. Next month, these holdings are going to shift dramatically. There is one thing. So I did an exchange. I took some DuPont Nemours for another company. I think it's here. It's not here yet. But International Flavor Company. It's not bad. It pays a good dividend. It's okay, but the problem is don't really have enough of it. And we have the Walgreen Boats Alliance coming in from last month. Still just sitting there waiting on that dividend. We'll see what happens there. And we have Kim Realty, Mac, just a few good REITs. Nothing too much happening there. When we're looking at the individual account, what happened? So our Toll Brothers paid us our dividend. Both Toll Brothers in individual and in our custodial account paid a little bit different dividend. Not too bad, you know. Every little bit helps, right? We're just building and building. Now we're going to take a look at our holdings in our Roth account. Next week this is going to completely change everything. It's going to be a great month to show you everybody. So AT&T 61, same. Apple 86, same. Coca-Cola 109, same. Corvitia 57, same. Dow same. 97. DuPont same. 87. ExxonMobil same. 32. Johnson & Johnson same. 11. McDonald's same. 7. Microsoft same. 15. Procter & Gamble same. 12. Southern Company same. 23. 3M same. 5. And Public Storage same. 4. So we have all the same across. We have North American Tanker same. 421. Carnival Cruise Corporation 100 shares, still waiting on that to pay that dividends. We're waiting on you, sir. We're waiting. So Coca-Cola, 102, not too bad. Dow, 52. Nordstrom, still 50 shares, waiting on them dividends. Tapestry, 50 shares, waiting on that. So we have our payment, Toll Brothers this month. We have 50 to, so we got 0.1. Not bad, not bad. It's slowly growing. Toll Brothers isn't as much a great dividend payer. It's just a good store of, I bought it at a great price. I saw it's going to go up no matter what. So here we are. Walgreens Boots Alliance. Walgreens. We went 0 shares to 50 shares. It's a great company. It's got some great things looking forward to it, and maybe with all the vaccines ahead of itself. And if not, they're great dividend payer. So either we're going to get some share appreciation from that, or we're just going to sit on it and let those dividends roll in, right? So Kim Realty, nothing there, and Mac, nothing there either. Looking at our custodial account, we got 105 shares of North American Tanker, still sitting on 50 of Carnival Cruise. Coca-Cola, 51, not bad. Toll Brothers paid us out another 0.1, not too bad. And Kim Realty, just sitting on that, waiting for those to grow. All right, so we're looking at our final slide, the breakdown. So we put in $28,542.17. No dividends this month for the Roth account, but our current value on this account is $46,257.66. Now it's going to fluctuate, obviously, but that's a pretty good return on that, I would say. Tremendous. Only 3 years in, I could live with it. I could live with it. All right, starting individual account, 15,000. Dividends this month, 556. And then we up to $21,184.20. Very nice. Then we have our custodial account, starting out with $5,007. This month we received $5.56 from our Toll Brothers, and now we're up to $7,439.28. Grand total $75,279.54. Beautiful. Now let's look at our percentage growth. So based off what we invested in each one of these accounts, how much is our overall growth? So on our Roth account, we had growth of 58.3%. Individual account, 29.19%. Custodial account, 32.7%. And total growth of 35.17%. Not too bad, not too bad. With that, thank you very much for stopping by. I want to see this for each and every month. I want to see what do I want to see? What do I want to see? It comes down to, I want to see this grow. I want to see every month the dividends increase, the value increase. I want to see this, I want to get that up to $1,000 per month. So if any things happen, I can cover my mortgage no matter where I am. So that would be awesome. I want to see this grow, and I want to see how you plan to grow your assets into the future. I want to see what's your particular plan. Let me know in the comments below. What's your plan to grow your assets? With that, thank you very much. This has been Jeremy from Neko Nation Japan saying sayonara.